Hello sweetcorns, welcome back. Although I have some tab customization videos on my channel already, but they are a little complicated. In today's video, I tried the easiest and laziest way to make my tab look beautiful. Also, I am going to show you how I make my wallpapers in two ways. First, I'll show you how I make these spiral stripe wallpapers. It's easy, anyone can make these. Open IB's Paindex or any drawing app you prefer. Then click on this plus icon and here choose your canvas size. Please feel free to skip to the customization part if you want to see that only. If you don't know, the display size of tab A9 Plus is 1416 by 882. This is the size. After you write down the size, click on OK. See, this is the right size. It fits the whole screen perfectly. Then click on this ruler icon on the top right corner and add a straight ruler. Next, select one brush and color like I am showing here. Then just draw straight line once horizontally and vertically. If you don't want to make your wallpapers, you can always download them from Google or Pinterest. But the quality of those pictures are not very good, so I like to make my own. And it's easy so. Then click on the ruler icon again and tap on the off button. So this is the base, it's done. Next click on this special brush icon on the left side and here we have some liquify pen options. Select from one of these brushes and try to create a spiral pattern. Just do what I am showing here. And like this you can create many spiral pattern you like. Also you can change the background color if you want. Same way I made these two spiral wallpapers. Now let me show you the second way that I like to create wallpapers. Click open Canva app. You can download all of the apps from Play Store that I am showing in this video. Then click on this custom size option here. And again here write the display size. It's 1416 width and 882 height. Then click on create a new design and here search for wallpapers. And you can select from one of these free wallpapers available here. Then you can customize the wallpaper if you want. You can change the colors, add text and whatever you like. After you are happy with the design, you can save this image by clicking on the share icon on the top right corner and save, then on download. Look, it's saved on your gallery. Or the second way, I like to create the wallpapers from scratch. Don't worry, if you don't know how to draw, you still can make these. Go to Canva and create a blank project. Just make sure that the canvas size is similar to your tablet screen or what device you are making it for. Then click on this elements icon here on the left. Then tap on line and select this line element. Make the line long by dragging it from both ends so that it can fit the whole canvas. Then click on this icon on the top and make the line thick like this. Then click on this color wheel icon and change the color to your liking. I am going to select yellow because that's my favorite color. Then just follow what I am doing here because it's hard for me to explain in words. Basically you have to position the line on the center, then rotate it and just copy paste the line few times. I am just trying to make a pattern here. You can change the background color if you want. and like I am doing here, try to make a pattern with different size of lines and with your favorite colors. Then save this image by clicking on the share button here. Same way I created these wallpapers. Next, this is optional. Go to Pinterest and download few images that you like. I want to use them as gallery widget. I am downloading the images that are going to fit with my color theme. So now here we have all the images, the wallpaper that I created and the images that I downloaded from Pinterest. So now let's customize our tab. To customize your tab, pinch on the home screen or you can long press on the home screen. Then click on this wallpaper and style option, and here click on this change wallpaper. Then select image from your gallery. I like this pattern the most, so I am going to choose this one. Click on next, and here you can customize your lock screen, all the elements here. Tap on the clock to change the style and the font and color. You can change the clock position or you can make it bigger or smaller like this. After you're done with the clock design, click on this widget under the clock and add some of the widgets that you like that are going to show up on your lock screen. I am adding a battery, calendar and one of my favorite moon widget and the temperature widget here. Here you can add two of your most used apps on the lock screen. On the contact info, you can add a quote or you can add your contact information that I never did. Then click on done. And next click on this color palette option. And here you can select one color palette for your tab. It's going to apply on everything like your calendar or your messages and on your apps as well. Make sure to toggle on the color palette and apply palette to app option, then click on apply. Let's see how our lock screen looks like. Also, if you long press here, you can customize the lock screen from here as well. It was too sunny, so I am recording the last part of this video in the evening, so it's a little dark. Now the most important part, we are going to customize the home screen. We are going to add our favorite widgets. Pinch on the home screen and click on this widget icon. Then select your favorite widgets that you want to add on your home screen. I am going to select this Google clock. If you long press on the widget and click on this create stack option here, then you can stack same sized widgets together. I am going to add a reminder widget with the clock here. Then I am going to edit the reminder widget to make it look transparent. Like so, I am going to add two gallery widgets. one calendar widget, and I am going to move the app files to the home screen. I am changing the app files to yellow to match the overall theme of the tab. Next, I am going to add one weather widget and one Samsung internet widget. Also, I am moving 3 of my most used apps, YouTube, Chrome browser and YouTube Studio, to the home screen as well. With this, the first screen is done. It's looking beautiful. Let's customize the second screen. Here I am adding one email and Samsung Notes widget with a very important note on it. Next, I am going to add one Spotify widget, and under that I am going to add modes and routines widget. If you don't know what is modes and routines and how to create them, just follow what I am doing next. Go to settings, then click on modes and routines and click on this routines here, then on this plus icon on the top right corner, then click on if. You can either select from all the options here, or I like to start it manually. Next, click on then and select one or many actions as you like. For example, I want to open an app pair, so I am going to click on this, and let's say I want to open Canva and Spotify at the same time. And next here you can select one of these icons or change the background color, or you can select image from your gallery as well. Also, you can change the task name. I forgot to show you that here. And you can add only 4 modes and routine on widget. So I set this 4 icon for different actions. If you click on one of these, it's going to, let's say I click on this one that I just created, it's going to open Canva and Spotify together. So I hope it's making sense and you guys are getting what I am trying to show you, but it's really hard to explain for me because of my English, and I am really sorry guys, but I hope you guys are getting an idea. So I am doing the last touch up and it's done finally. This is how my tab looks. Also, I am going to show you with all the wallpapers that I created. Just wait a bit. This is late, but I wish you all a happy Diwali. Stay healthy, stay safe, drink enough water, eat well, sleep well, guys. Take care of your health, guys. This is very important. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys. Love you.